I always advise everyone that before they start selling their product on Amazon or any other marketplace online, they must need to check the trends of their product. Like before start selling any product, you must know that is this product is selling or not? Is this product seasonal? And what are those months of the year in which this product is selling very good? And what are the slow months of this product? Because for example, if you decided to sell a product, you just go on Alibaba.com, you source that product, you list that product, you optimize the listing of that product, and at the end, after utilizing a lot of money and a lot of time, you came to know that this product is not selling anymore. So that will be a disaster for you. So instead of wasting too much money and too much time in practically doing things, I always advise everyone to work 1 or 2 days on profit calculation of that product, on finding the demand, competition, reviews, like how much the competitor are selling, at how much price they are selling, and for how long they are selling. Like what was their sales in the past year, the past month, past 6 months, and past 2 years, and at what price they are selling, what revenue they are getting, and what profit they are getting. So after doing that, you will be 100% sure about your product, that in which month this product is selling a lot and which are the slow months for this product. So you will be having a complete picture in your mind, like how much inventory you need in which month and how much profit you can get in which month. So if you learn and do this working by yourself for every product, then you can just save a lot of money and a lot of time. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use Google Trend, which is a free tool from Google, to evaluate and verify your product selling history. Because in my other product research videos, I have already tell you a lot of method of product research for Amazon, like how you can do a product research and how you can actually verify your product sales from a different tool on Amazon like Jungle Scout, Helium 10 and AMZ Scout. But this Google Trend method is a 5 minutes free method, and I think that every seller must go through this method before evaluating a product and before deciding a product. Because Amazon and Google both are the biggest search engine in the world, and whenever any person having a problem or they want something, so they just go on Amazon or Google to find the solution of their problem. So it's super important for you to check that the product which you are going to sell on Amazon is having searches on Google or not, and if yes, then in which month how many searches you are getting. So this video is going to be super helpful and super interesting for you, so make sure to watch this video completely till the end, because that will help you a lot in future, not only for one product but for all of your products. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales, and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and the cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on Google right now, and on Google I have just typed Google Trends, and from here you can see this first link, trends.google.com, and you need to click on there. Because you can see that Google Trend is a website by Google that analyzes the popularity of top search queries in Google search term across various regions and languages. So it's a free tool, and Google provides this tool for your help. So why not use this free tool to make more money? So click on that, Google Trends, and after clicking there, you will be able to see this kind of a screen which says explore what the word is searching. So let's suppose you are selling a product posture corrector. So you just need to type the main keyword of your product here, like posture corrector, and before clicking on search, you must need to make sure that on the top right corner your country will be selected here. For example, if you are selling on Amazon.com, so you need to select United States here, and if you are selling in any other country like Australia, UK, Italy or Germany, so you can just change the country from here. So after changing the country or select your country, you just need to type the first keyword, the main keyword of your product, and click on search. So you can see that before clicking on search, Google Trend is recommending me some more keywords like this, like posture corrector, back braces, upright go posture corrector, and so on. So let's search on this one, and here's the magic. You can see this keyword posture corrector, the country United States, and the time period is past 12 months. So you can see that in past 12 months, the searches for this product is linear, like it's not exponentially growing or exponentially going down. This is linear. That means if you start selling this product, you will get consistent sales for every month of the year, like January, February, March until December. You can see that in January 2022, it's showing the value 73, and throughout the year, it's roaming around 80, 70, 90, 80, 70, 90, and right now it is 80. So you can see that throughout the year 2022, this keyword was linear. But that is not enough for your research. You must need to include some more keyword and try to put filter for some more year. For example, it is showing us the data for past 12 months. So you just need to click on drop down menu, and instead of past 12 months, you can just click on this past 5 year. So as you can see here, it's better to analyze the data for past 5 year to get the more clear and broader picture. So you can see that. So as we have already seen the data for past 12 months, which was around 70 to 90, like 70, 80, 90, you can see that. So before in 2021 and 2019, that data was like 75, sometimes 70, 80 and sometimes 65. And if we go back in 2019 and 2018, so we can see that this product was not having too much popularity in 2018, but after 2019, 20, 21, 22, so from past 4 years, this product is having good popularity and linear sales. Like after 2019, the sales for this product was consistent, not getting down. So that means it's a positive sign. So now let's go on above and type for any other keyword like back braces. So we can consider this keyword as a secondary keyword for this product, because the people who would actually want this product, they can also search for back braces. So let's search this one. So now as you can see here, after searching the second keyword, Google Trend has sorted out both keywords into different color. Like the first keyword is in blue color and the second is in red. So you can just actually compare the searches for both keywords on different years. So you can see that the searches for the second keyword are not as good as the first keyword, but this is also linear, like not going down and not going up. So that means the keyword searches for both keywords are linear, and throughout the year you can get consistent sale. So this is not a trendy product. So that is a good sign, and that is how you can just use Google Trend to search the keyword, and that is how you can just use Google Trend for free to check the trends of all of those keywords for your product which people are using to search on Amazon. And you can just put as many keywords as you can. You can just see here I have searched 2 keywords here, and it is still asking me to add a third keyword as well. So if I add third keyword, fourth keyword, so it will show me the result for all of those keywords for different colors, so I can just compare. And I can just put the filter for any year, any country, any location, and so on. And the one more good thing about Google Trend is when I go further down here, I can see the searches for this particular keyword for different areas and different regions of this country. For example, in USA, I have searched posture corrector. So you can see that Hawaii is the region of USA in which most of the people are searching for posture corrector. So this is the highly searched region for this keyword, and then they are in descending order. So for example, if you want to run the Google ad for this product, so Google is recommending you that while running Google ad, you can just try different ad set. You can just try different ad sets for these different locations. For example, you can create one ad set for this location, second ad set for this location, and then after running ads for 1 week, you can just compare the results. As more of the people are searching for this keyword in this region, so there are high chances for you to get sales from this region more than other regions. So at this point, you have already know like how you can use Google Trend to verify the trend of your product. So this product was a good product and having linear sales consistently throughout the many years. So let's just change the product and see the example for 2-3 more products so you can just understand more better. So let's remove this one, back braces, and let's remove posture corrector and type garlic press. As I know that this is also a good product, so you can see that over the time this product is also having consistent sale. But if I just put the product like fidget spinner, which was a trendy product, so if I search for that, so you can see that in past year this product was having trends up and down. Like you can see that in 2018 the trend for this product was super high, but after that in 2019 and 20 and 21 the trend was low, but again in September 2022 the trend was high. So this is a bad sign, like this product is not having consistent sale. Like for example, if you start selling this product today, so there might be chances for the trend of this product to get down in future, because as we have seen the history that the trends for this product was not consistent. As you can see here, we have put the filter for past 5 years, but if we put the filter from 2004 till present, like almost 16-17 years, so let's see how we can see this. So as we have only searched the filter for past 5 years, if we just put the filter for past 14 or 15 years, then we can just have a more bigger picture in front of us. So let's just select from past 5 years to 2004 till present, because it's almost about 13 to 14 years. So if I click on that, so as you can see here, the Google Trend are showing us the main trend for this product for at least 15 years. Like in 2004 till 2015 and 16 and 17, the trend was low, but for the May 2017, the trend for this product was super high. But again, after 2018, 19, 20, you can see the trend was low. Because these kind of trendy products cannot help you to build a sustainable business. They are good for Shopify dropshipping, they are good to make a quick or fast money, but for long term, these type of products are not good. So if you have also decided to sell some product on Amazon or any other marketplace, so make sure to check this way, like if these products are trendy or not. Because once you will be sure that this product will sell throughout the year, then you will be able to make money and build your business sustainable. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.